Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by ensuring the device can play sound. Open settings and disable Do Not Disturb or allow the app. Once done, pick the app you want audible notifications for and locate its notification options. Next, prepare a short audio clip under 30 seconds in MP3 or AAC format and place it in a reachable folder. This prevents format mismatch. You do this now so the system recognizes the file and the app has permission to access it. Now assign the sound. Go into the app's notification settings or the system notification manager and choose sound or ringtone. Once there, browse to your prepared audio clip and select it. If the system offers trimming, shorten the clip to 30 seconds so it's not cut off or too long. Make sure to set notification priority and volume levels so the alert plays over media. Also, test while the screen is locked to confirm behavior matches expectations. Finish by sending a test notification from the app or using its preview function. Observe volume, repetition, and timing. If you don't hear the sound, make sure the app has notification permissions, the system volume and notification channel are enabled, and the phone isn't on silent. If problems persist, restart the device, re-import the audio in a supported format, or convert to a common codec. This often resolves codec and indexing issues. Once fixed, confirm with another live test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.